Wow, the hurricanes are over. The major storm waters have drained away. Ouch, leaving us with this. Try to see what all these things are. But you can see how this wetland is processing the motor oils and the hydrocarbons and whatever else has caused this orange stuff. You can see where the high waters changed the vegetation a bit and redeposited soils. We'll see what's going to grow there. Again, the waters are draining away. The air's getting drier, and I'm getting electric shocks every time I touch the railing. But this is an area where I don't know what causes this brown water. It seems funny. It's not erosion, is it? Something's causing it. Maybe it's the fact that this is more like a spring and it's coming up. No? No? Alright, that's enough guessing for now. This is the meadow after the floodwaters have receded. Today is September 14th, 2021. This is the Blackstone Gateway Park in Worcester, Massachusetts.